How to find SafePal wallet address. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're new to using SafePal and wondering how to find your wallet address, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the SafePal application on your device. Log into your wallet like you normally do as well. Once you're signed into the home page, go ahead and tap on the list of coins from the wallet tab and select any one coin you want to receive or find the wallet address for. After choosing one, you'll come across this page. Go to the bottom left and tap receive. You'll then be able to see a long string of letters and numbers and a QR code for easy scanning. Tap on the copy button you see on the screen in order to copy the address, or you can also share the QR code with the sender. Go ahead and select any contact that you want to share your wallet address with and then paste in the wallet address you copied. And that's it. You've successfully found your SafePal wallet address. Always double check the network or coin before sharing your address. Never send Bitcoin's address for Ethereum or vice versa. So there you have it. Each coin has a different wallet address, so be careful while sharing it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.